equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Today, we are diving into the process of replacing the motor and filters in your Dyson DC29. This task can seem daunting, but with the right tools and guidance, you'll have your vacuum running like new in no time. Let's get started. First, gather your tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a pair of pliers, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Make sure you have your replacement motor and filters ready as well. Begin by unplugging your Dyson DC29 from the power source. Safety first. Next, remove the canister by pressing the release button and lifting it off. This will give you better access to the motor compartment. Now, using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws securing the motor cover. There are typically 4 screws located around the perimeter of the cover. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the motor cover off. You may need to use your flathead screwdriver to pry it open if it's stuck. Be careful not to damage any surrounding components. With the motor cover removed, you'll see the motor itself. Disconnect the motor's wiring harness by gently pulling it away from the motor. If you're unsure about the connections, take a photo for reference. Now, remove the screws holding the motor in place. There are usually 2 screws at the base of the motor. After the screws are removed, carefully lift the motor out of the compartment. This is a good time to clean the area around the motor with a soft cloth to remove any dust or debris that may have accumulated. Now, let's install the new motor. Place it into the compartment and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Reconnect the wiring harness, ensuring it clicks into place. Next, it's time to replace the filters. Locate the filter compartment, which is usually near the top of the vacuum. Open the compartment and remove the old filters. Dispose of them properly. Insert the new filters, ensuring they fit snugly in place. This is crucial for optimal performance. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your vacuum. Once the filters are in, replace the motor cover by aligning it properly and securing it with the screws. Make sure everything is tight and secure to avoid any issues during operation. Finally, reattach the canister by clicking it back into place. Plug your Dyson DC29 back in and give it a test run. Listen for any unusual sounds and check for proper suction. If everything sounds good, you've successfully replaced the motor and filters. If you encounter any issues or feel uncertain at any point, don't hesitate to reach out. We provide a professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you get the help you need. Remember, we also offer a quote before repair, so you know exactly what to expect. No calls, no travel, just convenient service at your fingertips. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.